Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. I hope you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome my YouTube channel, which I shared with you beautiful and great ideas that are completely different to each other. So friend, I introduce in this video beautiful and unique ideas which are completely different to each other. Crochet cardigans are introduced in this video, which are very beautiful and are different to each other. Let's come and increase the knowledge criteria which we ensure to make and how to use different ideas. Christmas crochet designs are completely different to each other. I hope you will begin different ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, don't forget to subscribe my channel which I shared with you in this video. I hope you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, you will be enjoying my ideas which I shared with you in this video because it's are very beautiful and unique ideas that are completely different to each other. Hopefully friends, you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video because it's are very beautiful and unique designs. I hope you will begin different type of knowledge. In this video, I shared with beautiful colored designs, cardigans, and these colored ideas are very beautiful and are different to each other. Hopefully, you will be enjoy these ideas which are completely different to each other, and you will be enjoy my ideas. So friend, hopefully you will begin different ideas that are completely different to each other, and these are very beautiful to each other, and you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, you will be video, dear friends, I shared with you beautiful ideas which are completely different to each other. I hope you will be like these ideas that are completely different to each other. Thank you so much friends for watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with a new and great ideas. To take care friend, and next time I will meet you with a new idea.